guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Lilo and Stitch theme balloon number stacks. No stand needed. This is perfect for birthday parties and is super easy to do at home. So, let's get started. Materials needed are 11 or 12-inch balloons in stitch colors, 5 inches for accents and to fill in gaps. Brand of your choice, I am using Bevel brand balloons, 5-inch, 12-inch metallic light blue, 5-inch and 12-inch metallic pink. A balloon pump, manual or electrical, I highly recommend an electrical to save time and breath. A balloon sizer is optional but helps for uniformity. A balloon water weight to keep your column stable. A foil number balloon, 24 or 40 inches. I am using 2 40 inches. 260Q balloons for attaching your foil balloons and mini cords onto the column. And last but not least, to give the columns that Stitch theme vibe, I am adding these super cute Lilo and Stitch stickers. Now we are going to inflate our balloons, size them down and tie them together to form cords to build the columns. Let's first start with inflating two 12-inch balloons and size them down to 9 inches by pressing them up against the 9-inch hole of the sizer and slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together, forming a duplet. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot, forming a duplet. We are going to do the same with 2 other balloons, forming another duplet. Now take both duplets, bring them together, take 1 balloon from each, twist them together, forming a 9-inch cord. These will be your base layers. Next, we are going to repeat the steps with 8 5-inch balloons and size them down to 3 inches, forming 2 sets of 3-inch mini cords. Take your 260, push all the air from it, tie it off, and tie each end of the 260 around the middle of each mini cord. These will be used to decorate the columns and fill in any gaps. We will repeat the steps, forming 3 more sets of these 9-inch cords and 3 more sets of these 3-inch mini cords. Let's inflate the foil balloon. I use my hand pump to open up the valve and use my electrical pump to fully inflate the foil balloon, making sure not to overinflate it to avoid popping. Press the inflation port to seal the balloon. Use tape to tape down the tab. For attaching the 260 to the foil balloon, thread one end of the 260 through the hole of the balloon tab and tie both ends into a double or triple knot, creating a rubber band, and do the same on the opposite side. Let's build the columns. Take your water balloon weight, slide it underneath the base, wrap the neck around one of the back balloons, and tie the neck of the weight in the middle to one of the balloon necks in the base. Now we are going to straighten out our base. The same color pattern should be on the opposite side. Next, grab your second layer, stack it on top of your base. Following the same color pattern, angle the cord slightly for a fun, dynamic look. For securing the base, pull one of the necks from underneath the top cord and tie it to one of the necks of the bottom cord. Tie them securely through the centers so that they don't separate. This gives you a nice sturdy base to build on without a stand. For securing the foil balloons onto the column, loop the rubber bands around the two front balloons. Now let's wrap the mini cords into the column to fill in gaps and to add a professional touch. Here comes the fun part, adding the stickers for that Lilo and Stitch theme vibe and for extra cuteness. I decided to add these tropical leaves to tie in the Hawaiian theme. I placed the leaves in two uninflated balloons and secured them with rubber bands. Repeat the steps and make another column. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks great and balanced. And there you have it, adorable Lilo and Stitch balloon number stack that's perfect for any special celebration. Thanks so much for watching. If you love this Lilo and Stitch themed balloon stack, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more balloon tutorials. And let me know in the comments what number stack you will be making. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!